So, what do I think about the Haloview Handy 7? I think it's a fabulous and versatile system. It's super easy to install and use. There's no wires to lay or anything like that. Just put the camera on the back of the vehicle and you're ready to go. It's portable between different vehicles. That's an important part because if you had a wired system, you could not take it to another car or RV or truck. The monitor is really big and nice. Has a beautiful picture. It's good picture quality with the monitor during daytime. There's lots of display options. If you have several cameras, you have several ways of viewing them, up to 4 at the same time. It has a solid build quality. There's a built-in microphone with audio transmission, so if you have somebody in the back guiding you, they can actually talk to you. On the wish list side, I'd like to see a dedicated mute-unmute button instead of diving into the menu options. It would be nice if the battery status of the camera could be also displayed on the monitor, and also an option to record higher quality video.